Hello everyone, Mr. Johnny here, and in this video I'm wanna discuss a rather interesting way to build a prototype. If you're a person like me, you have lots and lots of scavenged PCBs from miscellaneous equipment. An idea is, after you scavenged component from it, you can use the blank PCB and its existing tracks to build something on and to have fun with the circuit or tweak the values so it works like you want to. And right now you're seeing a mess on the table because there are lots and lots of stuff, and basically you can tweak everything as you need to get desired operation and functionality. It's a really nice way. You just grab X-Acto knife and you can even place an IC like this. It's an optocoupler. Grab a polygon, scrape away solder mask and cut pads with the X-Acto knife. It's really that straightforward, and a big advantage is that you don't really care about it, right? So after some desoldering procedures, you may lift pads or tracks, but you really don't care. If it comes to a point that almost every track is gone, you just toss it in a garbage. Of course, without components, I guess. It's simple to understand, right? And right now you're staring at a power supply. Switch mode power supply. Flyback topology. Real simple. Seems to have a kinda 7 watts capability. Alright, it's nothing that fancy at all to stare forever. And right now I'm powering a 10 watt LED. This thing is a beast, but the circuit is still not working as I need to. Recently I blew up this transistor, 13007 003 right now installed, just because after putting some load and everything worked alright till I heard some noise, like hissing noise, and saw a smoke coming out of rectifier diode. So I put a much beefier one. This one came out of computer power supply, so it could withstand that 1 amp. And yeah, let me demonstrate it. And by the way, this LED has that intense light output that it can burn something. I will show you. So let me demonstrate, shall we? Oh, and a voltmeter. By the way, the circuit is not working as I want to, because it doesn't hold that voltage on that, surprisingly enough. I don't know why, but the voltage jumps quite a bit, and if I put a small load like 1 or 2 watts, it just rises and rises and rises, and I don't know why. If I put 20 watts, voltage drops and drops and drops, and transistor heats up as hell. So let me demonstrate it working. Of course, through a bulb. It will be around that, it will not drop to voltage less than 13 volts. This thing is intense. If you actually keep a finger on it without touching, you will feel the heat. Let me get some insulation tape, electrical tape, so you will see how the thing is brute. And now you see a little bit of electrical tape. It's actually not touching the LED itself. You'll be able to see, I guess. Right now you probably see a smoke or something compared to it. Yeah, it really does smoke that electrical tape. It's that much photons coming out of this thing that it's a kind of like pico sun. Very small but intense. And before I set up something on fire or smoke that resistor, which is actually getting quite hot. Ah, that's starting to really stink. Let me just peel away this little piece of... You can see that it's melted. It's not melted through, but anyway, a decent light output, very decent. It does consume at 12 volts at 1 amp. 1 amp at 12 volts. So I hope you find it interesting. Maybe you got some information out of it. So you can now probably use your blank circuit boards to do something useful. That's it. See you next time. Bye.